How are you all? I'm Sukaina Mustafa, Head of Educational Department from Team University. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? कैसे गुजरा आपका ईद, आपकी रमज़ान? I hope you had an enjoyable Eid during this Eid holidays. You took care of yourselves. सारे प्रिकॉशंस आपने लिए, आपने अपना बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ख्याल रखा अपने बच्चों का. Everybody took care of themselves. Stay healthy, stay safe, as this is the time when we need to take care of ourselves and our health, most importantly. आज वीडियो बेसिकली एक स्टोरी है, जो स्टोरी आप अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठ के उनको आइडेंटिफाई करवा सकते हैं, उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकते हैं डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इमोशंस क्या होते हैं, क्या नहीं होते हैं. बच्चों को बेसिकली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ इमोशंस पता होते हैं, जो कि वो रेगुलरली अपनी लाइफ में देख रहे होते हैं, जो कि हम एज अ पेरेंट या एज अ एडल्ट हमारे इर्द गिर्द उनके इर्द गिर्द चल रहे होते हैं, विच इज़ हैप्पी एंड सैड, हैप्पी एंड एंग्री. आई एम सॉरी. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको पता होता है भाई अम्मी गुस्सा है या अब्बू गुस्सा है या बहन गुस्सा है, दैट्स एंग्री. हैप्पी क्या है? बस एवरीबडी इज़ हैप्पी, एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक स्माइलिंग एंड दिस इज़ द वेग डेफिनेशन दे हैव अबाउट these two emotions. उनको खुद अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि what are they feeling at that particular time. Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they angry? Are they sad? Are they feeling lonely? What is it? Are they calm? उनको खुद अपने बिहेवियर को जज करना नहीं आता, अपने एक्शंस को जज करना नहीं आता. हम कभी कभार आपने देखा होगा, बच्चे कभी कभार कुछ कर रहे होते हैं और हम उनको बोलते हैं यू आर एंग्री राइट, एंड ही विल बी लाइक नो आई एम नॉट. नो योर एक्शन स्पीक्स यू आर एंग्री. नो आई एम नॉट. बिकॉज उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा होता है कि वो क्या है. कभी कभार काउंटर अटैक कर रहे होते हैं ये सब लोग कि आप बच्चा खुश होता है, बच्चा एंग्री होता है लेकिन वो बिहेवियर नहीं दिखा सकता है, या हैप्पी होता है तो बिहेवियर नहीं दिखा सकता है, तो वो इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर सकता, इतना आपको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकता बेसिकली. तो जो स्टोरी आज हम पढ़ेंगे, मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊँगी, विच इज़ अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ कलर मॉन्स्टर. इट इज़ अ स्टोरी वेयर द कलर मॉन्स्टर इज़ गोइंग थ्रू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इमोशंस, एंड दैट इमोशंस, how he will come up with the emotions, how he defines the emotions in a very good way. What are the behaviors, what are the actions a person do when a particular emotions comes in. तो ये स्टोरी बच्चों को आइडेंटिफाई करने में बहुत हेल्प आउट करेगी कि बच्चा उस वक्त क्या फील कर रहा है, what are the emotions. So let's go and let's see what emotions are there and how the color monster feels about each and particular emotion. So let's go and watch
The Color
let's go and
Monster
listen and watch
story
watch
about
the story.
emotions and feelings. Let's see how do we learn about emotions. This is Color Monster. Today he woke up feeling confused and he doesn't know why. Your emotions don't work well when they are all jumbled up. That's true. It doesn't work well. Or are you all mixed up again, Color Monster? Yes, he is. What can we do? Let's see. You should try to separate them and put each one in its own jar. If you like, I can help you. Let's try to make sense of how you feel. Wow, nice friend. She's helping him. That's good. Let's see how does she help him. This is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. Wow, the color monster look happy when he's yellow. When you're happy, you laugh and jump and dance and play. You want to share your happiness with everyone. That's true. And that's true. When you're happy, you want to share happiness with everyone. This is sadness. It is lonely and blue like a rainy day. It washes over you like the sea. I feel sad. When you are sad, you hide and want to be alone. You don't want to do anything except maybe cry. It's okay to cry, Color Monster. It's okay. This is red, this is anger. It burns red like fire and it's hard to step out. When you're angry, life can feel unfair. That's true. Well, it is sometimes true. Sometimes you want to take out your anger on others, but it will be nice to you, color monster, and your anger will disappear. That will be nice, color monster. This is fear. It hides and runs away like a mouse in the night. Oh, when you are afraid, you feel tiny. You think you don't have the courage to face the gray shadow, but I can help you find your way. A good friend can. This is calm. It is quiet like a tree and as light as green leaves swaying in the wind. Wow, I feel so calm by seeing green. When you are calm, you breathe slowly, deeply, you feel so peace. Wow. Now you can rest, color monster. All your feelings are in the right place. See? Do you feel much better? Wow, every feeling is in the right box, in the right jar. That's true and that's nice. The color monster is happy. Oh no, I see you are feeling something new. What is color monster feeling? Wow, the pink color. Oh, you look different, color monster. Tell me, how do you feel?
Hi, welcome back. So how was the story? I hope you loved it. कलर मॉन्स्टर्स के बारे में. So अब जैसे कि आपने स्टोरी सुन ली, आपने देख ली. So now there are few questions I want every parent and every child to go through the story and go through the questions, and if possible leave it down the comment section answers आपकी कि आपने कलर मॉन्स्टर की स्टोरी से क्या सीखा. So the question number 1 is, what did you learn from the color monster story? What is it? Question number 2, color monster की स्टोरी में what are the emotions color monster had described? कौन से कलर्स के साथ उसने वो इमोशंस डिस्क्राइब किए. Third question, what kind of behavior, what kind of actions the color monster was doing or color monster was feeling when he was angry. What does it feel? And same it goes with you. How do you feel when you are angry? What are the slightly behaviors of being angry? Can you express it? Next question. What was the color of calm? What was color monster doing when he was very calm? And what do you do when you are calm? How do you relax yourself? It can be anything. Just dig in yourself and find out how do you relax yourself. Next question. आपने लास्ट में देखा होगा there is one color introduced, pink color. What do you think that pink color represents? What do you think, what kind of emotions new feeling the color monster was feeling? आपके हिसाब से क्या था? So I'll be waiting for the answers. प्लीज़ नीचे कमेंट्स में अपने आंसर्स लिखिएगा और बताइएगा कि आपको कैसी लगी ये स्टोरी. एंड आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट अगर आप इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर भी दे दें. थैंक यू, एंड वी विल मीट अगैन विद अ न्यू स्टोरी in future hopefully. So till then, bye, take care.